Congratulations on your purchase. Hi, I'm Sammy Sinatra with Sirius Signal. In this video, we're going to be unboxing the two-color SOS EVD-SD model C-1002. Start by opening the box. Remove the lanyard and whistle, followed by the top tray. Next, remove the daytime distress signal flag and middle tray. Now, remove your SOS EVD-SD. The distress light is ready to operate. Batteries are supplied and installed at the time of purchase. To activate, point the SOS EVD-SD away from your eyes and advance the red paddle switch 2 clicks to the right. Confirm that the light is flashing. To turn off, move the paddle switch 2 clicks to the left. The approved daytime distress flag can be displayed across the deck or aloft. The whistle is effective day or night. These items in combination completely replace flares and meet Coast Guard day and nighttime signaling requirements. For additional operational and care instructions, read the laminated insert card. Product registration and full documentation are available at SiriusSignal.com. Thank you for choosing to buy American-made.